All right, so we are going to be talking about the difference between convex and concave lenses. And as you can see on here, convex is pushing out, concave is pushing in. So you just saw a picture of a concave and convex lens. Here's what they actually look like. So this one is your concave. Easy way to remember, it's caved in. As you can see, it's caved in on both sides. Convex is the opposite. It's pushed out and it's actually pushed in a little bit on the ends. So again, concave, concave, convex. You are doing a web quest on lenses. You should have at this point already gone through how the eye works, done the video and worksheet, seen the different type of vision problems. These are not the only vision problems, but they're two very common ones, farsightedness and nearsightedness. You should have gotten some research notes using this graphic organizer. Now you are on types of lenses. So there's two types of lenses, and I want you to read about them here. You click that link, go read about the two types, and then you're going to create or do a lab. So if you're in class, you're going to do this, and I'll lead you through instructions. But if you're doing this on your own, you are going to be using this PhET lab.
All right, so today you're doing the Bending Light Lab. Your page might pull up like this. If it does, click play. A lot of your pages are actually going to pull up and look like this. You're going to have intro, prisms, and more tools. I want you to click prisms. So when you start off with this lab, it just starts with one single ray. This is a great opportunity to see how prisms work and make light refract. You can change the color. You can change different prisms. A wonderful, wonderful lab. But that is actually not while we're here. We're here to use this one right over here where there's multiple rays. So now we have a lot of rays. It doesn't really matter what color you're on. Um, if we really truly wanted to test it, it would be white light, but there's not the option of white light. So choose any color. And then you're going to put a convex and concave lens in front of these lights to see how does it bend light, how is it going to change how somebody would see. And if you notice down here in the prisms, we don't really have concave or convex lenses, so we're going to have to do our best. So for a concave, remember that's going in. We're able to actually do this, and you can do it both where you just try one and see, but if you wanted to see it concave on both sides and see the difference in that, you can just double them up and move them up. Now the other, and then for convex, probably a circle will be your best option. You could also use this half moon as well. That's up to you, whichever one you would prefer to use. Just make sure that you do keep the index of refraction on glass because our glasses aren't made out of air or water. We know they're made out of glass. Okay, and you don't want to go much further because then that's going to make them reflective. So keep it on glass. Everything else, keep your index over here for the environment in air. Because again, that is going to be what we normally see with our glasses. We're not buying glasses to see underwater. So our environment is air, index of reflection glass. And then you're using these down here, these prisms, to make your lenses.
So after you investigated, you should have been able to see that a convex lens bends the light inward and the focal point is going to be further on the other side of the lens, as you can see in this picture. So the concave lens, the focal point will actually be in front and the light is going to bend further out as it goes out. Again, hopefully you saw this in either of the labs.
Thanks for watching.